let's call it like a contemplation today, a contemplation on love, not just how to love, but how to become love. I will suggest that it's the most human of all qualities. AI can talk all the nice, lovely, make a better poem than you probably think you can ever write, but AI will not experience the love and the pain that you experience as a human. And if you want to maintain something of the human, then become love.